Kuseni ngibhekana negama lakhe lingcwele linamandla liyaphilisa makadunyiswe uJesu lo umuhle.
Bulawayo 826 akumnandi madoda, and Bulawayo ugugile, it's so old man, and I think about 126 years ago, that is when Ustad Jameson actually named us a city. Jameson owakhe yikho abantu babulawayo lithanda ihothi kangaka, you know.
I am ready, guys. Anytime. I am ready. That's nice.
You know what, ladies? We are tired of this woods, and whoop-toos in our inboxes. So mine would wear an electric shock device to keep unwanted strangers.
Preach, girl. Preach, girl. That's it.
Ukubonga siphatha kahle ngesokukushada dali awu bambo lwam thambo lamathambo am ekhaya usekho hambo boyoboye khana awunoma ungabusekhonile ubuye ekhaya usekhaya awunoma ungabusekhona Africa yole Africa mama
Africa yole Africa
au mama
Africa yole Africa
au mama
Africa yole Africa
Africa mzala.
My name is Dila, the infinite, most resilient soul sister, soul sister. Let me help you grow, sister. Trampoline me to the skies where the clouds are as thick as my fro, sister.
What are you doing, Thomas Mswan? Watching porn.
What do you take me for?
Come on, I'm just playing. Unless, of course, if you are watching it.
I'm working on a literature project about race and gender. Not many people are going to see this.
My word. Within an hour, it already has 100 views. By the end of the day, the whole school would have seen it. The design school. What am I going to tell Mom, Thomas? Tell me what?
Some tower.